racing. I guess we'll see if it's green, but it is green here.
So far, so green. Up front, battle.
As the field pours out of turn number 2, past our back straightaway shot. Maybe a small track, but as we've already seen this weekend, they carry a lot of speed further back here. The 31 in the 5, that's Allison in the 5 machine. In the 8th spot, the 31 slipping back to 8th, make that 9th. Through turn number 3, some contact, maybe some more contact. These drivers are used to racing it up at Irwindale Speedway's half mile, but they're not afraid to rough up each other a little bit here on the quarter mile.
You mean like that?
Just like that.
Battle for third.
Yep, lap number 15 will click over as they cross the line. This time by, Wyman continues the lead over Malone. Just behind them, the battle for third. They'll close in again on Miller in the 69 machine. Put that car a second lap down as Malone with a strong move there into turn number 3 and will take the lead.
Oh man, traffic jam.
Where do you go? Again, you have a race coming up. The 49 gets turned and Huddleston gets by. Almost more contact for Hornsby. The caution will fly just at the halfway point of this race.
That's Warren Nipper going around the 49.
Turn.
Warren was in a battle with a 31, but Hornsby was in a battle with a 50.
For the late models. Whoa. Huddleston's got a brand new nose on that car, but he's not afraid to scuff it up a little bit.
Oh boy.
And Hornsby's not afraid to get a little rough as well. A bit on the exit, that time by another 10th and second off the pace. Great exit there for Walbridge and lap traffic in front of Malone. Malone's gonna have to use the bumper. Will Walbridge use the bumper? White flag, final lap.
Better entry for Walbridge.
Absolutely, but is he going to have the exit? Malone still has the advantage. Will Walbridge throw it in, or does Malone have this one? At a turn number 4, Parker Malone sees the checker flag first and wins the first main event of the day. I just want to mention, Kimley, they had brought out a car. They had a bad wreck yesterday, and they are looking forward to their 2020 season. Wish they got off to a better start as we get ready for 50 laps of late model main event action to finish off the day here at Havasu 95. All right.
Oh yeah.
So how much patience do we see now?
I feel like if you wait, it's all the way to lap 25. No more after that. Some contact there with Joanitis and Thompson. Still great battles up front.
Oh, Malone does not feel like being one to wait and takes over the top spot. So another track that you do this, and we're turning Wyman in front of the field. Everybody gets wound up. Caution is out, lap number 8. The leaders are in lap traffic. Lapping Allison's number 5 is the battle for 4th. Taking place just in front of us. Joe Knight is trying to hold off Dean Thompson. Behind them are the hard-charging duo of Wyman and Hornsby. 30 laps to go, and Bori Molina gets turned over in turn number 1. Looked like that was off the nose.
Calm down.
Yeah. That may have been off the nose of the 49 machine. Oh, man.
He's there.
Oh, man. Into turn number 3, the battle for the lead. They're leaning on each other. They're trading paint. Here comes Walbridge. Malone still fighting on that outside. Now he's going to regroup. And
Oh, yeah.
now Malone to the inside. Walbridge gives him room.
Good battle for the lead.
Side by side as we close in on the halfway point. Now Walbridge, it's your turn. Some contact in the back of the pack, and it was between Hornsby and Wyman. We've seen Hornsby tear it up in a good way, positively, in many stocks for years, and he's been recently moving up. Done some, oh boy.
Oh, Hornsby taps the wall.
Yeah, he's been doing some late model style racing that we've seen around the West Coast. And
Also-
here he is.
Also off-road.
Oh.
Racing the UTVs and off-road, Lucas Oil off-road.
Uh-oh.
And
Uh-oh.
that settled it.
Honestly, I think that just restarts it. Parker Malone sweeps the weekend at Havasu.
And we are factory stock racing.
Yes, we are.
Crown Vics, Buicks.
Oh, we already hit the wall down the back straight away.
To be fair, he was going to make this track wider regardless.
Yeah. You wanna give the folks peeking in a
Yeah,
little taste
I
of
have
what we
to.
got on the back straightaway?
We got a little three-wide action. Oh, boy.
Yeah.
Here they come, and there they go.
They're gonna have to deal with this 8X lap traffic coming into
Oh,
play.
yeah, here we go. Oh, the 8X already took down the wall before, spun it out in 3 and 4. And now he sees the leaders going by.
That was very respectful.
Yeah, that was. Taking a peek on this action. Oh, look out, 75 into the wall. Yikes. I was going to ask where you're watching from and who are you rooting for.
Yeah. And let us know, for those that are already, of course, tuned in
Yes.
on lowbudget.tv, you can go to our Facebook page and let us know.
So here comes Guevara, who won the last time I was out here. He's got that Earnhardt lean.
The Earnhardt lean.
Yeah. As he takes the lead going into 1, but Cameron Guy is going to make a run out of turn 2 of the 29 sideways. Battle up front still continues on. Cameron Guy working that high side, but Guevara takes the lead, but we go yellow. Front. So now Guevara to the inside of Guy. Lap number 14, 6 laps to go.
Oh,
As
boy.
Guevara takes the lead, but it's not official. Rear now. Working that rear bumper, getting ready to. So it's 2 Crown Vics
Oop.
working for the lead as they go by the Monte Carlo.
All right, just want to point out we're working on
Oh,
wrecking
yeah.
over here.
Oh, yeah.
We're doing a
boy.
real good job. We're not done.
No.
Sorry, I just want to point out that I think
Yes.
we're going to.
Oh, look out. Oh, careful, drivers. No challenge up front to the line as William Guevara, checkered flag, Preer second spot. Cameron Guy third. McKinney in fourth, 75 of Gray.
Yeehaw.
Stacy Churko, the 8J of James Lambert, completes your factory stock main event here in the 45 rounding out the field.
Trouble.
And we got a stack up. Look out, and 4 cars.
We almost made it through, and we've already found a fine time to leave me a loose wheel in this new decade.
4 cars caught up in this one. Oh, and Gresser around in front of your leaders. Oh, and your leader, Romzig, hard into the front end. of Gresser. So Owen Romzik, we talked about how lap traffic was a potential issue, and Gresser just lost the handle into turn number 1.
There were a couple big hits in that one.
And as Ethan De Guevara to the line, to the win.
Down. Oh, man, Alexis not going to make the turn! And a hard hit over in the corner. That was a massive hit. Red flag out immediately.
A major slam into the wall.
As they are going through the procedure, Alexis is climbing out.
They build them safe, that's for sure.
Absolutely. This is why, as we heard just a few minutes ago, them discussing the safety equipment that goes into these cars, it is because you can never assume that any race car will not find the worst spot on the racetrack. And we've talked about it, Tommy. Alexis was pushing that high line there for a while and broke loose just coming out of turn number 4. That number 7 machine is going to be done for the day, but the most important thing, as always, is the driver will be racing tonight.
Yep, walked away. Wow.
Gets around the lap traffic and sees the checkered flag. Victory to the 98.
Sweeps the day. So your 3C is coming up on lap traffic in the middle of lap traffic. 3C of Connor Jacobs. Now Connor.
Oh, boy.
19 up the track, a little wide and getting collected with a 21.
Big contact.
Brayton Roberts getting collected with a 19 with no name. And what more appropriate than to say that they've been through the desert on Outlaw Kart with no name. Field as white flag waves, one more to go for the 3C. Confetti car. Connor Jacobs sweeps in this heat / main.
Yeah.
Here we go, we're green. 125. You can hear it.
125 lapper.
Good track. He'll be all right.
I think Gorba's just having fun.
He's running that cushion over there in 3 and 4. Off the pace, the number 3 of Aiden McCorkle returns back onto the racetrack. I think the factory stock should race this track. Yellow is out. Right in front of your leader, the 2K of Corbin Mitchell. And sweeps his day of racing. Brody Wake takes the checkered flag. 33X of Perna second. Third, McCorkle and Corbin Mitchell.
I just hope the 2K pulls into victory lane. He's like, they gave me the checkered.